Friends, this is the question of simplification and it is a 2023 SSC MTS previous year question. See, question is in front of you, 13 divided by 13 of 13 plus 13 slash, that is division, fraction, and in brackets 13 divided by 13 multiplication 13 plus 13. So this is the question. You and your answer options are here. So you can do one thing, you can pause my video, work out yourself and try to find your answer. And for correct answer, now you can proceed and see my video. So friends, there are two things here. This numerator and see, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. It looks almost the same because actually of also means multiplication. But the question, the answer, then it will be, if the numerator and denominator is same, then we get answer A as option as 1. But 1 is the wrong answer because we have to follow this BODMAS. Okay. And BODMAS stands for bracket, then of, then division. Means of comes, takes a preceding before this division. So this of will be done first than this division. Okay, that is the thing. But of is actually same to the multiplication. Now we will rewrite it. 13 divided by 13, but 13 of 13 is 13 multiplied by 13. But we have to perform this first because of this of. Okay, and then we get here the division will be done first in the denominator. So we get 13 divided by 13 is 1 multiplied by 13 plus 13. So once again, I'm repeating it. We are seeing this division, that is in this denominator. Division takes the precedence because this is multiplication. But in numerator, of is there. So of function has to be done first. So now you get 13 divided by 169 plus 13 division sign. And this is 13 plus 13, nothing but 26. Fine. So now you see the problem changes. Now the numerator and denominator are different. They are not same. So 13 divided by 169 is nothing but 1 by 13 plus 13 whole brackets. Then you get this denominator 26. Fine. So now you get 13 into 13 is 169 plus 1 is 170 by 13. And this 26 will take a reciprocal. That is, it will become 1 by 26. Fine. So now if you divide this by 2, you get an 85 here and you get a 13 here. So now your final answer is nothing but 85 by 169 is your final answer. See in the option, one is wrong and this option is option D is correct. So friends, in simplification, you have to understand and use nothing but this BODMAS formula. Apparently, same looking numerator and denominator is not same because of application of BODMAS formula. So friends, to learn maths conceptually, you may like and subscribe to our channel, Pariksha. Thank you and good luck.